Alright, 4 weeks till halfway hangs. I only just started my prep now, but compared to the last 2 years, fixing a front bumper and servicing the car and giving it a wash is the least amount of prep I've had to do in ages. Last year I had to refresh a motor over the Christmas holidays, and then it shit itself on the dyno, then I had to take it back and get it retuned on the dyno, but we made it. And then the year before that was like prepping to do the new look right up to the last second, so like the pink it is at the moment. So yeah, we're just on our way to Josh's house from Bodyworks. He does all my painting and fiberglass repairs. He's really good. He's a sponsor of mine as well, which helps a lot. It seems to be an ongoing thing with destroying bumpers, front and back. But yeah, we'll check back in when we get to Josh's, and yeah, good to go.
Wow.
Hey, compared to what it was, the rear bumper.
Compared to the back one, it's nothing.
Well,
You'll get it.
that's questionable. Don't know where that piece is, but I have this piece.
Awesome.
So, no. But to be, you just make it work.
Yeah, I'll get it.
But considering this was like fully underneath the car, that was already there. That was from a stick.
Yeah.
And then there's like a little split there.
Easy.
But compared to what the back bumper was like for halfway last year, don't really fuss if this doesn't fit properly again, because they're fucked anyway. But yeah, sorry.
We'll get it.
Oh yeah, I got this piece for you too, man. That'll work, eh? All right, well, you enjoy that.
I will.
Thanks for your help, as always, here. And you only have to get that done too in time. You got no words.
No. Speaks as well.
All right, so it's another day. Halfway hangs is, I don't even know. It's Saturday. So yeah, it's Saturday. My birthday was yesterday. It's Saturday. Just come down to Autobahn because I need to get some oil and change oil filter, because we're just doing the last few things for prep for halfway, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to grab some stuff from Autobahn and then go down the shed, do a bit of prep. So the last thing I got to do on Wednesday is just load my car up. Oh, actually give it a wash. But yeah, we'll get that now. Where am I? Here. Thank you. Beauty. 4 for 5, 4 for 3, 4 for 2. Boom. Secret recipe. Been running my car on Penrite 1550 ever since I've been drifting, so she does the job. Yeah, that's been the magic recipe to my car that I've always used, so I might actually hit a lap on the sim quickly as well. Like a quick lap of Bathurst and a GTR. Let's go. Alright, so I grabbed all the stuff from Autobahn. Shout out to Hayden. He's always looked after the boys at Autobahn Burley. Now I'm going to go down the shed, get some shit done. Alright, we made it down to the shed. I don't think I've even... Oh no, I wouldn't have the shed in the vlog, because I've only been back doing the videos not long. But me and a friend of mine, Luke, we share the shed. Lukey had the shed. He said, "You want to have a spot?" And I've been leaving it here probably for a year now. And then yeah, so it's only small, but we got aircon, we got a hoist. Luke's S13 Mustang CRV. But yeah, everything's a bit of a mess. I went driving and actually drove a drift event. I didn't vlog, I don't know why. Just useless. But yeah, I drove Oz Day Bash. Queensland Raceway invited me out to do to come test out these new layouts that they're running for March Matsuri. Probably chuck a clip in here somewhere. But yeah, it was fun. As you can see, pretty much just come and unloaded my stuff because I'm about to load up on Wednesday anyway to go to Halfway. So yeah, just got flags for the boys, what my car used to look like, a few tools, and they're all Luke's wheels and stuff. My gear wrench toolbox, shout out to the boys at Gear Wrench. But yeah, this is where my car lives. But yeah, so we just got to get ready for Halfway Hangs. We leave on Wednesday. Got to pick up Pete from the airport, a homie of mine from New Zealand that I met. He's coming too. The Go-Go boys will be there from New Zealand. Dave Hunter. They're all going. But yeah, of course they're going to come. It's Halfway Hangs, the best event, yo. But yeah, so Ausday Bash went pretty good. I didn't have my bumper. Obviously, it's at Josh's house getting fixed. But yeah, car didn't miss a beat all day, and it was like, well, I don't know. It was so hot. It was like surely like 40 degrees, and then I was like, oh, I'll wear my race suit. Yeah, terrible idea, but we're good. I just got to, that tyre looks like it's dead, so I'll get tyres changed this week. So yeah, change oil. I'll do a bolt check fluids and stuff like that. Josh said he'll have my bumper painted this week. I won't have the livery on the bumper, but that's all right. At least the bumper's on, so it looks fresh for Halfway. But yeah, chuck some fresh oil in, bolt check. I seen like lost the screw out of a skirt. Yeah, nothing crazy. Car's been a gem, so yeah, literally didn't miss a beat at Ausday Bash. So I'm gonna put the muffler on. So we got the straight pipe tip on because at QR you don't need a muffler, but at Rally Raceway we do need one. So yeah, change oil, put the muffler on, give it a wash Wednesday, and off we go. Thursday morning, let's go. Halfway Hangs. All right, so might change the muffler first, so I'll do that. Yeah. All right, so not doing that. Gonna change oil first. So I need to have the back of the car on jack stands to go get tyres changed, because that one looks like it's got a slow leak or it's fully dead. So we'll change oil first, jack the car up in the air, do the process of that, which is a pain for how low the car is, but I'm not raising it because that shit's illegal. But yeah, so we'll take the oil out, drop the oil, do the filter, do that, then put the car up on jack stands, and I can do the muffler and take the wheels off at the same time, load tyres in the ute, and that's about it really. Wash it Wednesday, load up, then pizza night with the boys, Street Carnage boys, and then we leave early Thursday morning. So we'll get the car jacked up in the air and drop some oil. Let's go. What's going on? You stealing tools or shit? Liam's here to pick up his shit because how long I've had your wheels for so long? Since when? I can't even remember. Oh yeah, gravy weekend.
6 months.
And I'm vlogging too, that's why I've got the... They're out here. Oh, and all these camera shit's been here since
You can tell I do a lot of filming.
But yeah, I didn't have the chance to burn these off, so you can have them, mate. A little present for letting me use your fucking wheels for so long. Yeah, that's a fucking whole drift event for you. Yeah, bud, you can have them back. They're all yours.
Dirty.
Yeah, they need a wash. They need a wash. Well, I've done like 3 events on your wheels.
Yeah, done more than I have.
And then I also fucked your wheels for you as well.
Yeah, done more.
Sorry, man. Hey, I did say I'll buy you another pair, and you said that's all right.
That's all right. They're only going to get worse, aren't they?
Well, it would have been worse because I was going to borrow Zach's 3-piece wheels, and I'm sure that would have went down well if I fucked one of them up. All right, let's get this bad boy up in the air. Oh. There we go. Drop the oil. Engine bay's a little bit dirty, but I'd really love to take the engine out, tidy up all the loom, do some tubs, repaint the bay, but well, should be right. Another day, we'll just keep driving it, it's easier. All right, we got the oil draining, it's nice and clean. Smells a little bit fuely from the 85, but that's all right. Let's take this cap off so it drains out a little bit faster. In the big block. But yeah, we're getting there. I'm stoked that I don't have to do too much for once, which is sweet. Shout out to Gear Wrench, my boys. Get that changed over. Then I'm going to put this bad boy on. Put the muffler on because they have pretty strict sound rules at halfway, or rally race race I should say. But yeah, got put this bad boy on to quieten her up. It's got a little turn down tip and just a V-band that sits just at the back of the car, so nothing too crazy to do. Just halfway prep video really, so we'll get this changed out, put the new filter on and do the back of the car. So that's probably what I'll film next. Liam just come down to grab all his stuff that it's been in my shed since Melbourne. But yeah, cruising, nearly done. And then I just got a bumper update from Josh. It's all back together. Look, Schmick, of course, because he's the man. He said he'll have it painted tomorrow, I think, or Monday. And then yeah, won't have the stickers on for halfway. That's all right. We'll get stickers done for the bumper when I come back, because I've got to go to cars going on display at like I think it's called the Pulse Performance Motorsport Expo or Motor Expo up at the Brizzy Exhibition Centre. So at least the car will be looking fresh for there, pending nothing goes wrong at halfway hangs, touch wood. So yeah, check back in soon anyway with muffler update. All right, so oil's changed. Been flat chat. A few of the boys are called, just asked some questions about S chassis and stuff, but got the car in the air. Oil's good. Look at that juiciness. Just got the car jacked up, got jack stands under it, chucked the muffler on. I just got to undo the V-band on the straight pipe, take the wheels off. And then I'm probably going home. So get tyres changed on Monday or Tuesday, just to put back on the car to load up on Wednesday, because we leave Thursday morning for halfway. So yeah, we'll get that done. BRB. Yeah, we just got to undo this V-band. I got Matty Hearn from Everyday Engineering to chuck a V-band on so I can swap from straight pipe to muffler, depending on what track we're on. So we'll whip that bad boy, oh, that's tightening it. Whip that bad boy off, swap it over, and put it back. Oh no, we don't have another round. As you can see, that tyre is absolutely useless. So pull this off, pull the wheels off, and we're cruising home. All right, muffler is on. Yeah, the dumpy on. It's gonna take some wheels off. Took a bit longer than I thought. I was FaceTiming my good friend Jackson Townsend for a bit. Yeah, so let's whip these wheels off and check back in soon. All right, so both wheels are off. So pretty much, yeah, just gonna get tires, put on the wheels. I didn't realize they're actually both popped, unless they're leaking air. But they are wrecked from Ausday Bash. So you get some tires put on for the week, chuck the car back on the ground, and we're good for a wash, and halfway hangs were coming. But yeah, haven't been doing too much otherwise, because I still work a normal job like everybody else. But trying for videos, I'm trying. But yeah, thanks for watching. Drop a like, comment, all that stuff, so it keeps the engagement rolling. But yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Next video will be cruising down the halfway. So, peace.